Hi friends, myself Sai Gopal Daruk. I am studying in 801. Today we will continue the class which we have started in last class. In last class we have started about the topic of changing states of matter and we have known till evaporation. Today I will show from boiling. See, some bubbles are rising up when liquid is changing into gas. So this process is called boiling. Boiling means the process of conversion of liquid into gas in fast process or rapidly is called boiling. And one more is boiling point. The temperature at which process of conversion of liquid into gas happens in fast process at 1 atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. So when impurities are present in a particular substance, then its boiling point will increase. Suppose for example boiling point of salt water is more than 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. Now let's see condensation process. After removing, you can see some water molecules present in this layer. So this process is called condensation. Condensation means the process of conversion of gas into liquid is called condensation. And one more is condensation point. Condensation point means the temperature at which gas is changing into liquid at 1 atmospheric pressure is called condensation point. Condensation point of water will be 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. The numerical value of boiling point of water and condensation point of water will be same. Again, next when impurities are present, then if impurities are present in a particular substance, then it will not affect condensation point. So let's see now sublimation. See, this is a camper. When I will fire it, see what happens. See, when I fire, it's directly changing into gas. This process is called sublimation. Sublimation definition is the process of conversion of solid directly into gas without entering into liquid is called sublimation. Sublimation are 4 types. They are sublimation point, sublime, sublimate and sublimable substance. Now let's go to sublimation point. Sublimation point means the temperature at which the process of conversion of solid directly into gas happens at 1 atmospheric pressure is called sublimation point. Now let's go to sublime. See, some gases are raising up, gas is forming. So the gaseous form of sublimating substance is called sublime. So now let's go to sublimate. Sublimate means the solid which is formed by the deposits of gaseous form of sublimating substance is called sublimate. And next is sublimable substance. Sublimable substance means the substance which show sublimation is called sublimable substance. And there is one more point is the sublimation point of dry CO2 is -78 degrees Celsius. Friends, after condensation, take water and keep at fridge. After some time, you will see ice forming. So it is changing into solid. So that process is called freezing. Freezing means the process of conversion of liquid into solid is called freezing. So freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. So let's go to freezing point. Freezing point means the temperature at which it is changing from liquid into solid is called freezing point. So freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. I am repeating this again because it's a important point. So when impurities are present in a particular substance, then its freezing point decreases. So let's see an example. Means the freezing point of salt water will be less than 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. I am repeating this point again and again. So freezing point of salt water is less than 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. So there is an exception in this freezing point, which is agar solidifies, agar will freeze at 30 to 40 degree Celsius. Thanks for watching my video.